Yeah, hi all. My name is Ravi Prakash, and in this video, we'll discuss about last two digits, right? So I hope you have watched that video in which I've discussed about squaring and its application in last two digits, right? That is very important. Please watch that video. After that, you can easily understand this, right? Okay, so how to calculate last two digits, right? One method we studied in numbers, right? In remainders, in numbers, I think second module, right? Where remainders we were calculating. So one method was any number, any number divided by 100 and calculating the remainder will give the last two digits. Will give the last two digits, right? Any number when divided by 100, okay, and taking the remainder will give the last two digits, right? And explained you why. I proved it why, right? Now, secondly, we can do it by another logic, right? Bit of involving bit of binomial and all, right? But binomial we won't discuss here, not needed. We'll use the few results of binomial and then we can solve it, right? So we'll discuss for all the first all the odd numbers, right? So we'll discuss for all the odd numbers. So how to calculate last two digits of all the odd numbers. Okay. How to calculate last two digits of all the odd numbers. Fine. Okay. Now first we'll see for all the numbers ending in 1. For all the numbers ending in 1. For all the numbers ending in 1. Okay. So for all the numbers ending in 1, so what is the way of doing it? See, if I'm calculating what is the last two digits of 31 raised to 68, right? It is ending in 1, so 31 raised to 68. What is the last two digit, right? So in unit digit we saw any number ending with 1, right? And its any power will always end in 1 because it is ending in 1, so any power of 1 will always end in 1, right? So I'm sure the unit digit is 1 in this case. I just need to calculate the tens digit for calculating last two digit, right? So what is the tens digit here? So see, for tens digit, this 3 you multiply with 8. Okay, so 3 into 8 is becomes 24, and you take the unit digit here, that is 4. So that 4 you take here, so 41, right? This is the answer, right? So this 3 tens digit of the number, right? Tens digit of the number multiplied by the unit digit of the power. Tens digit of the number, right? Tens digit of the number multiplied by unit digit of power. And take the unit digit, right? So suppose 24, so 4 you take, 41 is the answer, right? This is self-explanatory actually, right? Because once you expand this in binomial theorem, sorry, once you expand this in binomial theorem, right? So it is like 30 plus 1 raised to 68. Okay, so all the other numbers become 0, 0, and this last term was only left with multiplying 3 into 8, right? So this is quite self-explanatory, so you don't need to use binomial theorem for this small thing, right? So but actually this result is derived from binomial theorem. Okay, so 3 into 8 is what? 24. Last digit is 4. Okay, next one, like what is 61? Yeah, 261 raised to 356. 261 raised to 356. What is the last two digit, right? Again, it is ending in 1, so any power of 1 will always end in 1. Then tens digit of the number multiplied by the unit digit of the power. So 6 into 6 is 36. 36 last digit is 6. 36 last digit is 6. So what is the answer? 61 here. So last 2 is 61, right? Another example you can take. 171,541 raised to 963, right? Again, funda is same. What is the last two digit here? So it's ending in 1. So any power of 1 will always end in 1 only. What is that tens digit? Here, the tens digit of the power multiplied by the unit digit of the, tens digit of the number multiplied by the unit digit of the power. So 4 into 3 is 12. 12 last is 2. So it is 21, right? So all these numbers, right? Suppose it's like 8641 raised to 21. So again, last is 1. And how we get the tens digit? Tens digit of the power multiplied by the, tens digit of the number, multiplied by the unit digit of the power. So 4 into 1 is 4. So 41. Correct. So this is the shortcut, you can say, shortcut derived from binomial theorem, right? That any number ending in 1, I can calculate the last two digit within 1 second or without paper and pen, right? Now, now for the other odd numbers, second one, for the other odd numbers ending in odd numbers ending in 3, 7 and 9, right? 5 we'll discuss later. Odd numbers ending in 3, 7 and 9, 5 we'll discuss later, right? In third one. So for odd numbers ending in 3, 7 and 9, right? See this example here. I'll explain you this very good concept. Suppose my number is 37 raised to like 164. What is the last two digits of 37 raised to 164? Okay, so for 37 raised to 164, what my aim is, I have a shortcut for number ending in 1, right? So all I want to do is convert these numbers ending in 1. Now how will convert it? We know that 3 raised to 4 is 81, so ending in 1. Okay, 7 raised to 4 is 2401, so ending in 1. And 9 square is 81, so ending in 1, right? So for 3, 7 and 9, I have to take it to power 4 and power 2 to convert it to ending in 1, right? Now, see how to do it, right? So what I need to do here is, I need to have 7, it is ending in 7, and I know that 7 raised to 4 will end in 1, right? So my aim is now, I should write 37 raised to 4 into, now 164 by 4 is 41, so 4 into 41, right? Now why I have written like this? Because I know it is inside 37 raised to 4, and 37 raised to 4, that means 7 raised to 4 will always end in 1, so 7 raised to 4 will always end in 1, right? Okay, that means now basically what I need to get here, I know that this inside bracket, this number is ending in 1, and I have the power also, right? But I just need to have this digit, tens digit, right? Then I can use that shortcut, right? Tens digit multiplied by the unit digit of power, right? So you just need to have this number here, right? So how to get? So see, there's a normal way of calculating. I need to have last two digits of 37 raised to 4. So I can break it as 37 square into 37 square. Now 37 square, what is the last two digit of 37 square? So 37 is close to 50. So its last two digit what? See, its last two digit is same as 13 square. What is 13 square? 69. So it is ending in 69. It is also ending in 69. That means 69 square. Now what is the last two digit of 69 square? So 69 is close to 50. So its last two digit is same as 19 square, right? Because 69 difference from 50 is what? 19. So its last two digit is same as 19 square. That is how much? 361, that is 61, right? So 37 raised to 4 can be written as 37 square into 37 square, right? 37 square, last two digit is what? Is same as 13 square, right? Because 37 difference from 50 is what? 13. So what is 13 square? 69, 169. So its last two is what? 69. So 69 into 69, it is 69 square, right? What is 69 square last two digit, right? Again, it is close to 50, difference of 19, so its last two will be same as 19 square. What is 19 square? 361. What is last two? 61. That 61 I can place here, right? So 61. So its last two is 61. I can apply the shortcut here. Again, 6 multiplied by 1. 6 into 1 is 6, right? So what is the answer? 61. Answer is 61, right? So 37 raised to 164, what is the answer? 61. It is ending in last two digit what? 61, right? Because any number ending in 1, any power will end in 1 only, and we got the last, we can get the tens digit by multiplying tens digit of the number with the unit digit of power. 6 into 1 is 6, 61. Okay, now let's do another example. Suppose I take 33 raised to 128. Okay, 33 raised to 128, right? Now again know that what I want to do is convert inside the bracket, I want it to ending in 1. inside the bracket I want it to end in 1, right? So for that, what I need to do, I know that 3 raised to 4 always end in 1. 3 raised to 4 is 81, so it will end in 1, right? So I should write in terms of power 4. So 33 raised to 4 and 4, 128 by 4 is what? 32. I should write like this. Now I know that this is ending in 1. This is ending in 1, and what is it? This is 32. So how to get the last two digit? Now what is 33 4? 33 4 can be written as 33 square into 33 square. 33 square, what is the last two of 33 square? It is same as 17 square. What is 17 square? Why 17 square? Because difference from 50 is 33, right? I hope you are getting it. If you are not getting it, please watch that video, is squaring and its application in last two digit, right? It's a separate video just previous to this, is squaring and its application in last two digit, right? So 33 square, last two is what? Is same as 17 square, that is 289. So what is the last two? 89. So 89 into 89, that is 89 square here, right? Now what is 89 square? Its last two will be same as 11 square. What is 11 square? 21. Last two is 21 for 11 square, right? So 21 raised to 32. What is the answer? A number ending in 1 will always end in 1, and 2 into 2 will be 4. So 41 is the answer, right? So 33 raised to 128, what is the answer? 41. Correct? I hope you got it, right? Okay. Now, okay, let's see. Now, in the previous slide, we got 33 raised to 128, last two as 41. Yeah, but what suppose the question was for 33 raised to 130. Suppose the question was for 33 raised to 130, right? In this case, how to find the last two digits? Last two digits, how to find? So we should find like this. See, again funda will be same. I want to convert in power of 4 because it should end in 1. So but directly I can't make power of 4 because 130 is not a multiple of 4, right? So a number just before 130, a multiple of 4 is what? 128. So I should first write like 33 raised to 128 into 33 square, because I have to take 4, I have to write in multiple of 4. That's why 128, right? Number before 130, 128 is a multiple of 4. So 33 raised to 4, right? Into what? Into 32. Into 33 square, right? So we got this, right? What is the last two we got? Here we got last two as 41. We solved in last slide. We got last two as 41. Now 41 into 33 square. What is the last two digit of 33 square? So last two of 33 square is same as 17 square, that is 89. So 41 into 89. Now, so we can, now you have to, like, here we can do manually, right? 41 into 89, what is the last two digit? Okay, 41 into 89, what is the last two digit? So solve it till get answer as 49. Get answer as 49. So 49 is the answer, right? 33 raised to 130, what is the last two digit? 49. Correct. So this way we can solve even if the power is not a multiple of 4 and all, right? Okay. Another question we'll take. 79 raised to 128. Okay, what is the last two digit? So this time it is ending in 9. So I know that 9 square will be ending in 1, because my always aim is to convert this number into ending in 1. So I should write like 79 square. I should write like 79 square into 64. Notice 79 square. 79 square is what? Its last two digit is same as 21 square. That is difference from 100. So its last two is same as 21 square. That is 441. That is 41. So its last two is 41. What is the answer? 41 raised to 64. Right. What is the answer? Always end in 1 because power of 1 will always end in 1. What is the 10th digit? 4 into 4, 16. So last is 6. So what is the answer? Answer is 61. Answer is 61. So 79 raised to 128 is what? Is it ending in 61, right? So again, a very easy concept, very super concept. You can get last to read very fastly. Okay. Now, next one, let me write. What is the last two digit of? See, 277 raised to 277. What is the last two digit of 277 raised to 277, right? Now see here, 277 doesn't matter here, right? Because last two digit will be depending on last two digit, right? Because I told you how to get last two digit always. So last two digit always we can get by number dividing by 100 remainder will give me the last two digits, right? So even if it is 277 raised to 277, divide by 100 remainder, right? Divide by 100 remainder, right? So just 277 by 100, what is the remainder? 77. So we should only focus on this. It doesn't matter what is before it, right? I can add one more 5 here. It is 5277. It doesn't matter, right? If it is 5277, I can simply strike out. I can simply strike out this 52. Only last two we are concerned with, right? Why? Because once we divide it by 100, what is the remainder? Last two only. 52. Look, you see 5277 divide by 100. What is the remainder? 77. That's it, right? So it doesn't matter, right? 277 by 100, what is the remainder? 77. Every time 77 only, right? So divide by 100, it doesn't matter what is the length of the digit. What is the length of the number, right? What I'm left is only with last two digits. Okay. So actually, if it is 52, right? So basically, let's say the question is 277 raised to 277. So I should first convert it to 77 raised to 277. This I need to calculate the last two digit. Okay. And now I hope you can do it, right? You can do it easily. Again, what is my aim? My aim is to convert in terms of power of 4, because 7 raised to 4 will end in 1. 2401 ending in 1, right? So what I should do here is, okay, let me do next slide. Question was 277 raised to 277. So I should simply write like 77 raised to 277. Now I should convert in 7 raised to 4, that is ending in 1, that is 2401, so ending in 1. So I want to end in 1, so I should write 77 raised to 4. But 277 is not a multiple of 4. So directly I can't write, right? Directly I can't write. So what I should do? 77 raised to 276 into 77. I can write like this. Okay. Now 77 raised to 276. What is the last two? 77 raised to 4. 276 by 4. So 276 by 4 is what? 69. So 4 into 69 into 77. Now what I'm concerned, I know that inside bracket, since it is 7 raised to 4, so always it will end in 1. So I need the tens digit here, right? So basically I need the last two digit of 77 raised to 4, in which I know that last digit is obviously 1, right? So 77 raised to 4 is what? Do it mentally. 77 square into 77 square. Its last two is same as 23 square. What is 23 square? 529. That is last two is what? 29. So 29 into 29, 29 square. What is 29 square? 29 square, you can remember it, 841, right? Or its last two is same as 21 square. That is 441. So anyway, what is last two? 41. Last two is 41, right? 77 square into 77 square. 77 square last two is what? Is same as 23 square. Difference from 100. What is 23 square? 529. So what is the last two? 29. So 29 into 29, 29 square. What is 29 square? 841. So last two is last two is 41. Or you can do 29 square, last two will be same as 21 square. Difference from 50, right? So what is 21 square? 441. What is last two? Anyway, 41 only. 41 only, right? So 41 raised to 69 into 77. Now this will be equal to what? Now 4 into 9 is 36. 4 into 9 is 36. So it becomes 61. So 61 into 77. Right, 61 into 77. So this will be the answer, right? Now we can do it manually, right? 77 into 60 is how much? You can just calculate it. 154, 308, 462. So 462 plus 77. Right, it is 97. So last two is what? Last two is 97. So last two digit of 277 raised to 277 is what? It is 97. Next one. So in odd number, what is third one? Numbers ending in 5. Numbers ending in 5. Okay. So for numbers ending in 5, there's a simple right rule. You can always, for any power, you can say it, any power of 5. 25 square is what? 625. Right. 15 square is what? 225. Right. or anything like what is 5 cube 25 cube is also ending in 25. So last two is always 25. So in numbers ending in 5, last two is always 25 or 75. But when it comes 75, like 15 cube is 3375. Right. So if number is ending in 5, last two will be either 25 or 75. Right. So simple, you can write a simple rule for it. Right. If power and tens digit of the number, if the power and tens digit of the number both are odd, right, then number will end in 75, otherwise it will always end in 25. Otherwise it will always end in 25, right? So if the power and the tens digit of the number both are odd, right, right? For example, 235 raised to 235. What is the last two digits? Right? You can see that power is odd here, right here, power is odd, and tens digit of the number is also odd, like in this case, right? See, in 15 cube, 15 cube power is odd and tens digit is also odd, right? So that number will end in what? That number will end in 75. That means what is the answer here? Answer here should be 75. Okay. Now another one. Let's say 685 power 465. What is the last two digit here? So last two is what you see. Power is odd, right? Power is odd, but tens digit is even. In this case, what is the answer? So answer in this case would be how much? 25, right? If both are odd, then it is ending in 75. Otherwise, it will always end in 25. Okay. So this is for last two digits, right? This is for last two digits for all the odd numbers, right? In next video, we'll see how to do it for even numbers. Okay. Thank you for watching.